right, now Angelina.
Yes.
For the record.
For the record.
What do you believe happened in the
here's
ocean?
how it went down in the ocean. I get knocked to the ground. I say to Willie.
Who knocked you to the ground?
The ocean. I said, man down.
A big wave, a rogue wave.
A rogue wave.
What was it? It was a rogue wave?
Yeah.
It was a rogue wave, okay.
So I turn and I see you. And I'm
Where
like,
was I? Where was I?
You were clearly within range of coming and rescuing a damsel in distress. But what do I see? I see extended arm and a GoPro with a smiley face behind it as I get pummeled for the second time. And then you say to me,
What'd I say?
oh, come out further so that I could be hit out in the ocean and taken out to sea forever. And my last image would be you.
Now, is it possible that I was saying to come out a little further where the waves were not breaking right on you?
Not true.
Not true.
I think you wanted the ocean to take her.
All right. What?
Here's Rosemary's place.
Now-
I think you wanted the ocean to take her.
Now, Rosemary,
What?
were you present? Did you see this? Were you an
I
eyewitness to
heard it
this?
second hand and I believe it.
Nicole saw it. Ask Nicole.
All right, we will.
She's up there nodding her head.
Saw it.
There's a witness.
How did it go down, Nicole? How did it go down?
Rogue wave. I was not a rogue wave. All right. Well, we will see if we have any video footage of that.